What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Kai, and I'm coming back at y'all with another video. And in today's video, we are gonna be working out. As you can see the equipment in the background, I'm trying to get it in. I'm trying to get them gains in. I'm tired of being a little bird.
I'm trying to be a beast, as you can tell by the title.
So today we're gonna be doing arms, we're gonna be doing chest, and we gonna be whatever. It's gonna be 3 sets of each workout exercise, and I'm just ready. I hope y'all excited. I hope y'all are willing to see my workout journey, me becoming a beast, because I'm going to. I'm not about to look the same in a couple months from now. Just keep watching the videos, you feel me? Just keep watching them. But anyways, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, y'all, I got it set up in the back. We doing incline bench presses. We're gonna be doing 3 sets of 12 reps of the incline bench presses, and I got 35s on both sides. That's 70 pounds. I don't know if there's weight from the bar or whatever. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that, you feel me? But let's get to it. Make sure you get in the right position, you feel me? Bring it all the way up. Don't lock your arms. Don't lock your arms like that. Bring it all the way up. Bring it down to your chest. And 2, 3. Sets, but that should give you the gist of what that is, what I'm doing. So y'all, alright. On to the next exercise. This exercise we're gonna be doing flat bench presses, flat bed bench press, or whatever you want to call it. You're laying on your back, you feel me? But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. 3 sets of 12, and I lowered the weight. Before it was 35, and now I put 25 on both sides because that last workout killing my arms, if you didn't see. But anyways, that's part of the process. It's part of my journey, the journey, whatever, if you're gonna do it yourself. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, y'all, for the next workout we got the chest cable flies, and this is what it would look like when you set it up. We're gonna be using these things right here, and basically, yeah, that's what we're using. We're gonna be doing 3 sets of 12 reps, and yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, y'all, with this workout, one thing that I would recommend that you guys do to do the workout properly is to, of course, take like a couple steps forward to where you're not too far, but you're also not too close, so you can actually like do the workout exercise properly. So kind of like get into the middle. So basically what you would want to do is have your arms, I guess, apart and about this far. And I guess if you guys have seen the movie Incredible Hulk, like how he does the Hulk's, how he claps his hands or whatever. That's basically what you would be doing, like this. So, like that. I'm gonna be doing this about 12 times. Try to use your shoulders, your arms, your chest, and that's what you're working out. Alright, the next exercise, we're gonna be doing dips. We're gonna be doing about 30 in total, 3 sets of 10. I'm not doing 12 this time. Dips, my arms is killing me. They already feeling weak like some spaghetti noodles, dude. So, we doing 10. Feel me? Woo! Wasn't that bad, but the more I do it, the harder it's gonna get. Alright, y'all, for the next workout we're gonna be doing, or exercise, we're gonna be doing bicep curls, just like all the other ones, 3 sets. We're doing 3 sets, of course, and with this one I'm gonna do about 15 reps, because I'm trying to get my arms popping, you feel me? Woo. Sheesh. Goose. 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 Goose with a nose, with a nose. Ah. Alright, y'all. For the last and final workout of this video, we're gonna be doing tricep curls or reverse tricep curls. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. But yeah, 3 sets of 12 this time. Actually 15. Alright, y'all, that's the end of the workout video. I'm low-key struggling to hold my arm up to hold this phone, dude. But my arms is tired. I'm tired. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all learned something. I hope y'all stay tuned to more of my workout videos to see my progress, because I'm most definitely gonna become a
Beast. About to get out of
being a
bird. I mean, I got a little something. I got a little something.
you feel me? But it's about to be way better than that. So just stay tuned. I love y'all. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, please. I'm trying to come up. Please subscribe and comment. And I love you guys. Rest in peace, Juice WRLD. As you can see, and I'm out.
Maybe it wasn't meant to be. Maybe the drugs will set me free. Maybe